Hi, this is Greg with Calendarsnack. Thanks for stopping by. I'm going to go to full screen mode here. You can see it's October 2nd, 2021. I'm going to go through the RSVP buttons, the calendar landing pages, the calendar invites, and reporting real quickly. So that said, to get a calendar snack here in number one, all you're going to do is use our universal address. It's crate@calendarsnack.com. You're going to add us to your calendar invitation in Outlook or Google. Step two is to retrieve your calendar snack. As soon as you do this, within a few seconds, we're going to send you a calendar snack to your email. You're going to click to view here in number two. And number three, within 10 seconds, you'll have access to your email marketing template codes here for RSVP buttons. Those include MailChimp, Convertkit, Klaviyo, and SendGrid. We're going to talk a little bit about SendGrid today. Then I'm going to show you one of our modals. This whole process, again, is only 10 seconds. That said, every time you create a calendar snack here on the left, on the right, under your reporting engine, your dashboard, all your calendar snacks are concluded on one page. And every time you do this, we stream your latest events here at the top and obviously your older events here at the bottom. The point is, as you stream in your events, we keep a record of those for you to include the RSVPs from the individual calendar invitations. So step one with SendGrid, let's dive in. You're going to grab your code here. It's a grab and go button. That is an API. You're going to insert it into the SendGrid marketing template, as in step two right here. You're going to hit save, and then you're going to send out your RSVP campaign via SendGrid's email marketing campaign engine. This here is a created call to action button. You could metaphorically use any terms here. I put in click here to get the RSVP. What happens with the customer is when the customer receives the email marketing campaign from SendGrid in their inbox, when they click this button here, they're automatically sent to a pre-built landing page on your behalf, and they're sent the calendar invitation here. It's very important to understand that we are the only technology that does this, and because of that, we can track the individual calendar receipts. So that means if your customer says yes today, you may say maybe tomorrow or maybe no ultimately, but we actually track all that data in the dashboard individually for all your calendar snacks. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So they're going to click it, they're going to send the landing page, they're going to get the calendar invite, and then we're going to track it here on the back via the calendar receipts at a detailed level. So that means every time you send out and or work with us on a calendar snack, we're tracking all that data on the back as evidence here on the left-hand panel. The second panel in the middle, as I'm rotating my mouse around, is you can actually get a report on all your detailed information from your customers if you want. By clicking this button, you receive a CSV report. In addition, we provide a nice scrollable interface here to actually see what's going on in detail per person, per email address. And then, as I said before, we collect all this data in a nice little dashboard over here. So in addition to all that, we offer up at the same time, you create a calendar snack. You get the opportunity to use these individual calendar landing pages. We have 4 pre-built colors: white, gray, dark blue, and green here on the left. And in addition to the single landing page modal, or the calendar landing page as we call it, you get access to the multiple event landing page. Both of these are grab and go codes. So let me show you here on the next page in the detail. If you are to use these individual copy codes here as grab and goes, these are actually URLs, and these URLs work very nicely where you can just pop them into an email or actually use them off a website. And this is your pre-built landing page for this particular event. When your customer puts their email address in here, workflow-wise, they're obviously going to receive a calendar invitation, and we track that in the reporting engine. Now, the other additional landing page we offer, calendar lander as we call it, is a all events or upcoming events landing page. So your next 25 upcoming events are going to stream to this landing page, and when someone puts their email at the top, they can independently click the individual buttons for the events in which you're streaming to, and they receive the calendar invites. Again, we're the only people that we're aware of that actually uses the calendar client off your mobile or laptop device and actually allows you to stream events to an upcoming page or an individual landing page like this one here over here. So that said, detail reporting, I showed you once, I showed you twice, I'm showing you 3 times again. And that kind of wraps it up. Thanks for stopping by, and I really appreciate all the support over the years.